Family, friends, alley cats, mom. But you can see they're bringing light back to this old building right here. I think that's wonderful. Man, if she could talk. I'm heading up towards the bus station. What I want to do is get today's prices. I go into different cities. That's the plan. Now that plan can change at any moment. Also, I can hear my wife in my ear saying, slow your walk down. And believe me, I am walking slow, just with a GoPro. It always seems like you're flying, but you're not. Wearing my chest mount. My hands are free. Another super old building here. Doors open. I don't know what they're doing in there. It looks like storage. Well, I can hear someone talking in there. I'm not just going to waltz in there. Boy, I would sure love to. Let's explore some of these old buildings. That looks cool. Older than you have the new. Look at the size of this house. Very cool. But I love to see when they refurbish some of these old buildings. Look, beautiful grapes right here, guys. But we're heading towards the bus station. So we're going to look at, this is the game plan. I didn't say it's going to work. Haven't been to the station in a little while. But you look in the window, it says say what city they're going to. Then I'm going to see if I can ask them how much. That's the plan. The plan of mice and men, as they say. If you're wondering, the beach is down that way. It's a little bit of an angle I'm walking up. Look at this whole building in front of us, man. I love stuff like this. I always say, gosh, I wish these walls could talk. See this right here? This ledge? I'm afraid to walk under it, to be honest with you. Oh, I hear people talking in there. There's people living in here. It used to be an old door that's shorter than me, and they just bricked it off right there. See that? That's trippy. Wide open, use that for storage. There's a guy just sitting in a chair in there. Utilizing the spaces that you have. Totally struck out on the bus station. It is a little bit later in the afternoon. What's down here? Okay, I see you guys parking. I don't want to just waltz into someone's backyard. Old building here, but the guy's using it for a garage. You can see what used to be the doors right there. Like I said, I want to be careful not to just walk into someone's property. Sometimes it's hard to distinguish if it's a public road or property. I don't think I've ever showed you guys down here. Just more stuff for the city for you guys to see. What's that song go? In the city, how? Can't remember who sang that. This guy's staring at me over here because I started singing. I don't blame him. Ugh. Look at this whole place coming up right here. Even looks like the chimney collapsed up top. Believe it or not, I love old buildings like that, man. Just gotta always think the history that they've seen. I mean, look at this place. There's a garage for you. The drapes, windows open, people are living in there. I love old stuff like that, man. Look at this place, man. I mean that as a compliment when I'm talking about stuff like that. Just a history. People got the Albanian flag flying. Love old stuff like this. Yeah, I've never showed you guys this part of the city. And I always pride myself on not just showing you the beach, you know what I mean? I want to show you the whole city. At least as much of it as I can. Look at that old shed down there, huh? Cool, cool, cool. Yes, we got a lot of things coming up. My birthday right around the corner. You should see the place that April found for us. Oh, April, the brains of the operation, obviously. I'll be doing a video of it. It's tucked away. They even have horseback riding that I'm gonna check out. It's still considered like right on the border of Pogradec, but it's up the mountain a little bit. So if this is what I think it is, when I need to escape and just catch my breath, we may have just found it. I'll be filming up there. Place looks very unique, you'll see it. So my B-Day coming up, guys. I'm gonna be 63 years old. How did that happen? Like, I'm sure like to most of you, just work and work and work and work, and you wake up, you're old man. All right, see the sign right here, we go. Prehistoric place, the monastery, St. Mary's, castle, all down to the right. You really need a car. I'll take a cab. Let me get around this. This guy parked on the sidewalk. Across the street here while there's no cars. Well, there's one coming. Let's hustle up, cross the street. There we go. Here we go. Might label this, let's get lost in the city. In the city. How, how. Who was that? Did that song? You guys remember? It's back in my time as a teenager. Wasn't Kansas, was it? I don't remember who sang that song. Let's go left here. Going left will take us down towards the water. Interesting. But I appreciate you guys coming to explore the city with me, guys. Not just the beach. This work area right here, man. Forklift going, but it looks like heavy lifting crane right there. Dun, dun, dun. You know what? I've never been down this street right here. Now there's a slight downward grade here. It tells me we're heading towards the water. So if you're anywhere in Pogradec, if you start going down even slightly, you're heading towards the lake. There's some nice houses here, man. I've never been on this street before. Okay, cool. You know, like I said, the whole purpose that I do stuff like this instead of just the tourists, so you guys really get an idea of the whole city. All of it. That's a lot of property right there. Now I got that song stuck in my head. At least that one verse. In the city. How, how. I can hear the guitar playing. Can't think of it. Is it Kansas, guys? Let me know. People are working, working, working. Bicycle repair shop right there. I see this gas station all the time. Not just this one. I mean, that company. Don't know nothing about it though. You can see the prices there though. British too. Interesting. Albania's got oil, but they can't turn it into gas. They don't have the refineries. I heard they had two, but no longer. That's too bad, because then you got to export, then you got to bring it back in. That costs money. That's a shame. So I'm hoping in the near future they can get those refineries back, man. Oh, look at this marble shop right here. That's nice. And look at all the marble, guys. People are not afraid of working. They work. He's cutting it up right there. That looks good. Got a wet saw going on. Yeah, I thought I'd just take you through a stroll, just through parts of the city. Show you some more to it than just the beach. The beach is beautiful, don't get me wrong. But I kind of pride myself of showing people other parts of the city. It's really like this little place. You see this word lavash? When you see that, it means car wash. Okay. Little coffee shop right here. Cool, cool, cool. Got all bikes right here. ATVs. Nice, nice. Older places right here. Yeah, so coming up on my 63rd birthday. Ew. Hard to believe. But like I mentioned earlier, man, our lives, man, you're just working. Working, 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 working. Try to raise your kids and poof, all of a sudden you're old. Oh, antifreeze. So April found this place for us, man. And I'm gonna do a review. It's like Sky Hotel or something like that, where it's round and it's got like a glass ceiling. It's interesting. There'd be horseback riding you gotta pay extra for. But I think I'm gonna try it, man. It's been a while since I rode a horse. Since I was a teenager out in California, believe it or not. I know what you're saying. You always talk about Texas. I never rode a horse in Texas. I know. Doesn't sound right. All right, Wave Runner right there, Yamaha. So I hope this is okay with you guys, just showing you little bits of the city, showing you what it's like. Multiple units right here. Nice and nice and nice. So April's going back to the States next month. My birthday's in a few days. I'm going to Bari, Italy. I've been through many places in Italy, but never Bari. It's a coastal town. I like to call it, the southern part of the country. Not Sicily or nothing. There's Neptune right there. It's an electronics store. Quite a few of them. Get out of this guy's way here before he backs up and kills me. Another coffee shop. But I think, if I remember, is this, yeah, okay. This is beautiful here. This is a, I'll show it to you real quick. A World War II cemetery where some gave their all for this country. Yeah, right here. It's a beautiful statue. You can hardly see but through the trees. And yes, they fought against Germany, fought against Italy. Here, I'm gonna try to give you a better view of the statue. It's really pretty. So there's a statue right there. There's graves right there. Respect. Getting closer to where I live. All right, alley cats. Thanks for walking with me. Appreciate y'all. Getting our exercise in. Walking, walking, walking. Like I said, we're gonna take it out to the birthday, then we're going to party Italy. April's going back to the States. We got a cruise coming. I have a lot of plates up in the air right now. Usually I don't plan this much very close to each other, but that is just the way it goes at times. But I appreciate you all going with me. Just a nice casual walk. Remember, I love you guys. Love you, Mom. Talk to you later. Bye.